Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up automatic email forwarding in Gmail. In this walkthrough, we'll turn on forwarding from your Gmail account to another address and make sure everything is verified so messages flow where you want them. First, open Gmail in your web browser and head to your inbox. Look toward the top right corner for the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Click it to reveal a small panel with common options. To access the full configuration, select See All Settings. This takes you to Gmail's main settings pages, which are organized across several tabs. From here, choose the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAPs. This is where Gmail manages forwarding and mail access methods. At the top of the forwarding section, click Add a forwarding address. A small window will appear asking for the email address you want to forward your incoming Gmail messages to. Type the destination address carefully, making sure there are no typos, and confirm that it's an inbox you can access for verification. Click Next to proceed. Gmail will show a prompt letting you know that a confirmation message is being sent to the address you entered. Approve the prompt to continue. Now switch to the inbox of the forwarding address you just added and open the confirmation message from Gmail. Follow the instructions in that email to verify, which typically involves clicking a verification link or using a code. If you don't see the message, give it a moment, refresh the inbox, and check spam or promotions folders just in case. After verification is complete, return to your Gmail tab. Click the gear icon again, choose See All Settings, and go back to the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. In the Forwarding section, you'll now be able to select the same verified address. If prompted, enter or confirm that address again. You should see options related to forwarding behavior. For example, Gmail may offer choices for what happens to the original copy in your Gmail inbox. Pick the option that fits your workflow. If you see a prompt or button to save, follow it so your changes take effect. That's it. Your Gmail account is now set to forward new incoming messages to the address you selected. Keep in mind that forwarding applies to messages received after setup, not to older emails already in your inbox. If you ever need to pause or change forwarding, you can return to the same settings tab and adjust or